And these are two contrasting approaches to the mid-1920s light aeroplane, and it's up. The first LIM light aeroplane trials were held at that Kent aerodrome in October 1923. There was a £500 official award for the most economical British aircraft with a 750cc maximum engine.
The DH-51. The aircraft was also fitted with folding wings that allowed its owners to store it in confined spaces, and it was a much more practical proposition. That was the DH-60. Wren selected another down the runway.
It's very interesting to have these two in the air at the same time, because de Havilland had taken part in those 1953 LIM trials as well, with the DH-53 known as the Hummingbird. That wasn't practical either. De Havilland really needed to find a sweet spot between the DH-51 and the DH-53 Hummingbird, and the DH-60 was it. One of the things that de Havilland was outstanding at in this period was publicity. There were lengthy flights by the early moths, such as at the end of May 1925, when Sir Alan Cobham flew the first prototype to Zurich in a 1,000-mile round trip. 1926 general strike. This moth went into private ownership in 1938. It was re-registered to de Havilland in 1941, and it was with them and its successor companies, Hawker Siddeley, British Aerospace and BAE Systems, until 2021, when it passed into the Shuttleworth fleet. It's not just the oldest DH-60 flying in the world. This is, of course, by definition, therefore, the oldest de Havilland moth flying in the world.
Also the most original de Havilland moth.
Yes.
Came down a bit heavy.
Since the handover from BAE Systems, it hadn't flown in Shuttleworth ownership until this year. But of course, special impetus is provided by this being the moth centenary year, and it's been lovely to see this delightful aeroplane back in our flying programs. And of course, it'll be a very honoured participant in the moth centenary Celebrations here next Thursday and Friday, to which you're all very welcome.